Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Tesla Cybertruck versus the Mercedes G-Class crash performance. We will examine their distinct safety designs and how each vehicle protects occupants in a collision. Understanding these differences is crucial for evaluating their overall safety profiles. Let's delve into the unique engineering choices that define their crashworthiness. The Cybertruck's unique exoskeleton, made from ultra-hard stainless steel, acts as a rigid safety cage. This design integrates structural strength directly into the exterior, aiming to protect occupants. Its large crumple zones are engineered to absorb and dissipate significant impact energy during a collision, enhancing passenger safety. The Mercedes G-Class employs a time-tested body-on-frame construction, known for its inherent strength. This robust frame is designed to absorb and distribute crash forces effectively, safeguarding the passenger compartment. Combined with a comprehensive suite of airbags and advanced safety systems, the G-Class offers proven occupant protection. Ultimately, both the Cybertruck and G-Class aim for high occupant safety, but through contrasting engineering philosophies. The Cybertruck's rigid exoskeleton meets the G-Class's robust body-on-frame. Understanding these fundamental differences helps appreciate how each vehicle manages crash energy and protects its occupants in diverse collision situations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.